Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Saubhagya. So in today's video we are going to see how to make egg chicken curry with a twist. Let's check it out. So let's begin. Let's take few potatoes and about 5 to 6 eggs. This is for 3 people, and boil them. I have chopped the potatoes in half so that they boil quickly. Sprinkle some salt so that eggs don't break. Okay, now took 1 medium onion, chopped it finely, 1 tomato, 3 to 4 green chilies split into half. Let's check the potato boiling. Yeah, take a knife and gently poke and see if it enters inside, which means it is boiled. Now let's take the chicken. I'm taking chicken legs. Let's marinate it. About half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, salt as per taste. Then goes about a teaspoon of coriander powder, and then about half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, some lime, about half. Gently squeeze the lime. It adds to the taste. It marinates really well. 1 teaspoon of freshly grinded ginger garlic paste, and now combine everything. Nicely coat the chicken legs properly and set it aside for about 20 minutes for it to marinate. Now let's get back to our potato and eggs. Let's peel the skin and the shell so they are ready for us to cook. And let's check what all spices do we need. I'm taking 1 big elaichi, some cloves, pepper, whole pepper, fenugreek seeds, and coriander seeds. That goes bay leaf, and all the spices are whole. You can grind them if you don't like them as whole. I just like the taste, I enjoy while eating them as whole. Not the big elaichi though, but yeah, you can surely grind it. Okay, once the oil was warm enough and the spices were fluttering, I have added onion and sauteing it, and then I have some chopped ginger garlic, about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, and half an inch of ginger. After sauteing it for another 1 to 2 minutes, add tomatoes and green chilies. Cook them nicely and then add chicken and let it cook for about 10 minutes. It will look something like this, and at this point you can add boiled potato and eggs and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Once it starts boiling, you can add little bit of water as per the consistency. Another 5 minutes and it will be ready. Garnish it with coriander, freshly chopped coriander, and it is ready to eat with roti or rice. Friends, let me know if you enjoyed this quick egg chicken with a twist curry.